In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid common mistakes on Facebook Marketplace. When you're listing an item, start by thinking about the photos. Low quality images are one of the fastest ways to make shoppers scroll past up. Aim for clear, well-lit pictures on a clean background and include multiple angles so buyers can see the front, back, sides, and any important details. If there are flaws, photograph them honestly. Listings with around 3 to 5 photos usually perform better because they help people make a quick, confident decision. Next, avoid writing super short descriptions. A single line like, "Selling this, message me," doesn't build trust and leaves buyers with questions. Instead, give a clear snapshot of what they're getting. For example, you might say, "Brand new wireless headphones with noise cancellation and long battery life. Includes original, box, and charger." Simple descriptive sentences help your items show up in search and reduce back and forth messages. Pricing is another common pitfall. If you set the price too high, you'll get fewer clicks and messages. Spend a minute searching for similar items on Marketplace and price competitively based on condition and what's currently available. If you're not getting interest, consider a small adjustment so your listing stays attractive without undervaluing your item. Once your listing is live, respond to messages quickly. Buyers often contact multiple sellers at once, and a slow reply can send them elsewhere. Keep notifications on, check your inbox regularly, and aim for short, friendly responses that move the conversation forward. Make sure you choose the correct category for your item. If a phone ends up in the furniture category, far fewer people will see it, and those who do may not be looking for it. Picking the most relevant category boosts visibility and helps the right shoppers find you faster. Keep your listings up to date. If something sells, mark it as sold or delete the listing. Active but unavailable items frustrate buyers and can waste your time too. Always follow Facebook Marketplace rules. Selling prohibited items or ignoring policy guidelines can lead to listing removal, marketplace restrictions, or account warnings. A quick review of the policies before you post can save you headaches later. Finally, strengthen your title with keywords. A weak, vague title hurts search visibility. Include brand, model, main feature, and condition where appropriate, like wireless noise-canceling headphones, brand new. Clear, keyword-rich titles help your listing get discovered. Follow these tips and you'll stand out, earn trust, and sell faster on Facebook Marketplace.